Hey guys, this is JV. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll create an infrared photograph from a regular photograph in Photoshop. Let's get started. Now first of all, open your image in Photoshop and duplicate the layer using Ctrl+J command. Hit Ctrl+I to invert the colors. Now change the blend mode of this layer to color. Now add a channel mixer layer. Now select the red output channel and change the value of red to 0 and blue to 100. Then select the blue output channel and change the value of red to 100 and blue to 0. Now while holding Alt, click between the layers to make a clipping mask. Add a hue saturation adjustment layer. Use this hand icon to change the value of saturation in the image. Click on the area and drag to the left or to the right. You can also change the hue by holding Ctrl while performing this action. To change the hue, simply hold Ctrl and click and drag to either side. I think this looks pretty good. This is before and this is after. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, do consider subscribing because it helps the channel. Also drop a like and a comment below and share with your friends. I'll see you guys again in the next video.